Every morning began with a small fire, breakfast and tea, and writing in my journal. Pancakes and tea were my modus operandi for a week, and writing in my journal by the fire. Stirring up my pancake batter. One key utensil I left at home was a small spatula to turn my pancakes. This became an exercise in patience. But I am nothing if not determined. It had warmed up considerably since breakfast, and by noon we set off for the legendary swimming hole upstream. We biked to the end of the campsite and then bouldered single file upstream for a half an hour. When close, we crossed this fast-moving current waist deep. It was sunny and hot, and the freezing water was refreshing. For a minute, which is about how long I stayed in. The Big Sur River races through this granite gorge with such force, it moved giant boulders through the centuries all along its path. Stan swam hard against the current to make it to the rock.
Got it! Yeah!
Around 4, I headed down Highway 1 in search of a Wi-Fi connection and found myself at Big SUR Bakery and Gardens. The charm extends beyond the quaint gas station. Naturally, I took a look around. They boast an impressive succulent garden and many flowers. They also have a raised bed veggie garden behind gates. A gift shop was just closing, and I couldn't resist trying the charming public restroom. Afterwards, I returned to my campsite to find squirrels had ripped the zippers off my food bags. I got no pictures of the damage, only a quick shot of the likely culprit. However, not even squirrels could rob me of my good spirits after 4 days surrounded by redwoods. Next morning, as I headed out of the park, I stopped to photograph a family circle of redwoods. Redwoods are the largest living things on Earth, some taller than the Statue of Liberty. Where once redwoods could be found around the world, they now only exist on the North Pacific coast. A family circle of trees sprouts from the basal burls of one parent tree long harvested or fallen. Redwood trees are unique cone-bearing trees because they can reproduce via burls as well as seeds. Approximately 20% of redwoods sprouted from seeds, and the other 80% sprouted from the burls, sharing or taking on the established root system of the parent. The new tree is an exact clone of the original tree, carrying its genetic identity far into the future. Thanks for watching this channel, and be sure to follow Late Bloomer Show on social media. Stay tuned for Part 4, The Natural Wonders of China Beach.